guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. I'm super excited today because today is the day that my Dupe Decor Challenge is up, and I'm hoping there will be a ton of inspiration down in the description box for you in the playlist. I have sent out an invitation about 2 weeks ago for a decor dupe challenge, and what it was is you find a decorated area or decorated piece like a fireplace, coffee table as an inspiration, and you recreate it with things you have at home. You can make a DIY for it. You don't have to. You can include previous DIYs in it if you'd like, but just show us your interpretation of the piece that inspired you. So I have decided to decorate my coffee table. I will be switching my decor out for the summer soon, so I thought this would be a great time to start with the decor. And my coffee table kind of needed an update because I have taken all my Easter stuff out of it, so it was lacking some decor. So here it is. This is the piece that had inspired me. This is the picture. I had found this picture on Pinterest, which is a great source for any type of inspiration. I did not go to the store to get magazines or anything like that, which is another great source, but I did use Pinterest. So, and here are the materials that I will be using for this decor. I did not go out to buy any of this stuff. I shopped my home, which is what I asked everyone to do for this month's dupe. Maybe next challenge, if things are different, that will be an option for you. But this time around, I had really asked that you shop your home for most of the supplies, well, for all of the supplies. So I am using these tulips, and my vase will be this one. It is a like a birch bark vase. I've used this in many decor, seasonal decor pieces, Christmas, all sorts of stuff. Then I have some books that I will be using. I have my coasters that I had DIY'd, as well as this candle holder that I had DIY'd recently, and I will include all of my videos with these DIYs for you to see in the description box or in the eye in the sky. So I'm going to get started. Now I know that on the picture the books, the vase is sitting on the books, but I'm thinking I will sit my candle holder on top of it, just for more height. I might take some books away, and then on the inspiration piece there's a little egg. I don't know if you saw it in the corner, but I don't want to use eggs, so I am going to add this candle. I'm thinking I might change my mind for that. And then my flowers are going to go here. Hope I can fit all this in my tray. And this, yes, and I'm using this tray as well. This tray I've had around, so I'm thinking I might do just one book. Maybe not. There. And that goes here. There. I have my coasters. I think I had overpacked mine. I might take some stuff off. It actually doesn't look too bad when I step away from it. Would work better if the tray was a bit bigger. I do feel like the candelabras need more height. Going to go see if I can find smaller books. These are awfully large, wide. So I'm gonna see if I can find more like this one. It'll just make things fit a little bit nicer. Okay, so I'm actually going to use this one. It's a little bit taller, and I did find a couple more books that were smaller. Okay, I think that looks, let me just move out a little bit better. And as far as putting this here, I'm thinking that it might be too much. I might include something else there. So I'm going to use this. I have DIY this just yesterday, and I think it's going to be perfect. Yes, so let me show you what it looks like. So here it is. I think it looks really nice. This could be a little bit shorter. If I find that it bothers me, I might change it up. But here it is. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you participated in this challenge, thank you so much. I can't wait to watch everyone's videos. And if you're stopping by from someone else's video, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing and let me know whose video you're stopping by from. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.